Iran's military recently conducted extensive military exercises under the codename Eghtedar, which translates to power. These exercises served as a platform for testing the newly unveiled Sina kamikaze drones, which bear an external resemblance to the American Switchblade 300. According to Iranian reports, the new kamikaze drone, Sina, is designed and manufactured to target clusters of individuals and unarmored vehicles at distances of up to 5 kilometers. The kamikaze drone has an electric propulsion system, and its warhead can weigh between 300 to 1,000 grams. Similar to its American counterpart, the Sina system is a compact precision-guided munition with a lightweight design, enabling rapid deployment via tube launch from land, sea, or mobile platforms, offering enhanced mission flexibility. After launch, the drone unfolds its wings and follows a predetermined path towards the designated target. With operator commands, it can effectively locate and eliminate the target on the battlefield. The introduction of Sina kamikaze drones further underscores Iran's expanding drone capabilities in modern warfare scenarios.